This is the starting point of the voice of nature, where to collect ideas and assemble them as they should be. It is a matter of pride that from such a long process, this project will finally be realized. There are many stories behind this project. Maybe it will be difficult to tell one by one. But in essence, everything will be done on time. From Bunyitam, this is the beginning of all the universe cries that produce nature's voice.